just got off the train at Pianabella. We're walking through the town slash village of Palombara, and it's super old, so cute. We're going to be ending up at Nonna's house to be doing some pasta making. So this is so exciting.
We can see that especially from that window over there, that resembles a keyhole. That was the perfect hideout for the archers during attacks.
Having a good time?
Yeah, it's really interesting. Obviously it's super hot, but we're learning a lot about Palombara. So many cool things about this old town. Yeah, I'm actually really excited to try the olive oil from here, because I just think there's a big discussion around who makes the best olive oil, Greeks or Italians. I'm not saying anything, but I'm open. I thought she was joking when she said we'd go up to the castle, but we're actually walking up to it. Very nice.
We're actually up to the castle.
We're actually up
Look how cool that is.
These are the stables of the castle, but they're now homes.
This is a amazing conversion.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Imagine the planning regs.
Planning regs. You do it in every country.
Yeah.
Inside the 11th century.
Yeah.
But the first stone was set in here 1000, so yeah. It is pretty old.
Imagine taking 800 years to build something, right?
I know.
We have a problem when like an HMO takes like over 6 months.
I know.
And these guys are like, yeah, 100 years, yeah, to build a castle.
Obviously.
Nuts, isn't it?
No, allora...
Hey!
Va che abbronzatura!
Non hai detto di prendere un amore in italiano?
No,
Greco. Greco.
Nipote in Grecia.
Oh!
Casa mia, casa vostra.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Angela's house, Nonna's house is your house now.
Wow.
You need to know that this olive oil is pretty special, because not only is the olive oil from the area, it's actually the olive oil that the grandmas makes. And a few years ago, they started putting together all their olives and producing the Nonna's olive oil. Now I show you a bottle. Okay, now we need to make space for the egg, and we can do it very Italian style.
With our hands!
Well, now Nonna, you can enjoy Nonna's show, because she's showing you how she stretches the pasta. But she's really very delicate. You can caress but not press. If you press, you risk to tear up a hole inside the pasta.
Okay.
Caress and roll.
Caress and roll. Then we turn the rolling pin. Roll it on the other side. Hold it and slap it open.
Bravo, Achille.
Yeah.
Muy bien.
Yes, exactly. Roll it up till the other side.
Very good, Achille.
Okie dokie. Now hold it and slap it open.
Dai!
Woo!
Che ho in pin.
Nonna is giving you the secrets of the marriage.
Okay.
Nonna's marriage lasted 53 years
Yeah.
until now, because she used the rolling pin. For making the pasta, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, beautifully done. Bravissima.
Bravissima.
Roll. Exactly, hold it.
Vai!
And slap it open.
Hey.
And now we're rolling it out. Oh, nice and thin, Achille. And make sure the middle's not too thin.
Mio sposo è di
Ah, ¿de dónde?
Professional.
della capitale.
I'm just loving you in this apron, really. Caress, caress. Don't put too much pressure.
How to make tortillas.
because I've got long nails, I'm using a stick. So I take my pasta and then I put the stick here and then I just sort of pinch it with the sides of my fingers like that. Remove the stick. Oh, carry on. And then kind of go like, kind of like that.
It's cute.
I'll take it. Now we're making ravioli. This is our middle bit.
Cotta and
Our Parmesan. Yeah, you're correct.
One link up.
Brava.
Very good.
Brava.
Ah, there you go. Beautiful.
No.
Just one time.
Sì, sì.
Muy bien.
Okay, there we go.
Bravissimo.
And then the pasta in the middle. All the way down and then up.
Muchos amigos vienen aquí.
Nonna and Nonno when they were young. They just married. 53 years of marriage.
How?
53.
53.
53, yes.
Yeah. The secret is, el secreto es.
Nonna say no, the secret is a rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Che galanteria.
Men's solidarity here.
Solidarietà per maschile.
Buon appetito! Take it, pass it on. So we just served our beautiful fettuccine. Cheese.
Mira, Marieli, para mí.
Get involved. Best day ever since the wedding. Okay, it's dessert time. Gelato time. Ice cream presidente.
You don't want it?
It's nice. Reminds me of Viennetta.
Does it remind you of Viennetta?
Viennetta, yeah.
Salute. Salute. Ella va para Nueva York. You're going to New York. Right? No? No
Oh
nada.
my god. Nonna made
No
that.
ahora.
Is it amazing?
I've never tasted anything like that.
Oh
my god.
Assaggio, l'amore. Sono di fuori,
I know. It's insane.
Incredible.
So good, isn't it? Coffee time now with Nonna.
Wow, card from Nonna.
Thank you, Nonna.
Wow.
Thanks, Nonna.
Grazie mille.
Bye. Bye, Nonna. Bye, Nonno. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao.